In today's episode, I'm going to talk about 8 proven and achievable passive income ideas that can help you generate income while you sleep. And for each of those, I'm going to explain how hard it is to get and how much you can expect to earn from it. Now, I want to be clear here. These are 8 passive income ideas that each make me money in my sleep. Now, you might think that passive income, it only happens to the talented and the lucky ones. And while luck does play a part in all of this, passive income is still a skill thing. And because it's a skill, you can actually learn it. Learning things can seem difficult at first, but you have to remember it's like any other skill. There was a time when you didn't know how to walk, and today you can run. My point is, you learn to walk, so trust me when I tell you, you can learn the skill of creating passive income streams. And here's the best part. It's actually easy. After watching this video, you can get started today. All you need to know is how to do it. Part of my goal here is to inspire you, because I think that more people should try it. At first I thought that this sounded too good to be true, but then I tested one idea and it worked. And then I tested another idea and it also worked. Most companies operate locally, but because I operate on the internet, my passive income stream is being generated from across the entire planet. Because of the internet, you can really scale these passive income ideas. Before we dive in, let's clarify the difference between passive and active income. Active income requires constant effort and time, like a regular job. Passive income, on the other hand, allows you to earn money with little ongoing effort after the initial setup. Many people believe that passive income is a myth, and that's why I wanted to make this video. I wanted to explain that not only is it possible, it's actually very easy. And here's the kicker. I'm just an amateur when it comes to basic passive income. Basically, what I'm trying to say is this. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So currently I have passive income streams from various digital assets. And today I'm going to share these ideas with you. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your passive income, there is something here for everyone. So grab your shovel and let's dig in. These are 8 practical and effective passive income ideas that can turn your digital asset into sources of continuous revenue. Whether you choose YouTube videos with AdSense, affiliate marketing, selling stock footage or photos, self-publishing a book, creating music, or using Patreon, remember that building passive income takes time and dedication. Start today and let your digital assets work for you so you can enjoy a more financially secure future. If you feel like you're on the fence about getting started on all of this, let me save you the wasted time overthinking this. Just trust me and get started. Once you get started, like I did a few years ago, you won't believe that you didn't start doing it earlier. Most wage slaves won't even consider creating passive income streams. If you want to build your wealth, creating different cash flows, this is a good way to start. As always, thank you for listening, and do me a favor and tap the like button to show your support for this channel. Subscribe if you are interested in more content like this. Until next time, stay hungry, relentless, and strong in your journey of escaping the wage slave society.